Caicedo picks it up from the goal kick. Looks to go up and out it short. Manchester United are looking... Alexander-Arnold attempts a clearance. He's got away. Ribéry. Messi. Mikel Oyarzabal. Mbappe charging forward. He's having a go. Goal! Ecuador! No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Well, he had to deal...
Ecuador have penetrated for the first time.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's...
Tries a shot! Oh, the ball's got another chance!
That's just playing it safe and simple.
The off target.
OK, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
Done delicately. Oh, super ball! Oh, what a... Can he finish? No mistake! 2 up and threatening to pull.
Ecuador, after 45
Things
minutes...
starting. That's a half-decent try.
Yeah, it's good movement, though. A bit unlucky he couldn't actually steer it.
Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. Any strong opinions on another show of strength? Ecuador ahead 2-0, and they are looking good. And we are already promptly back underway. Mbappe! And it's played forward. Robertson. Rice. He's had it taken off him. And... oh, he's been caught napping! He'll try from distance.
Oh, it's die-hard defence and the willingness to put his body on the line. Very impressive. And he stuck it bang in the corner.
This has become one superb game of football.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
And he can clear it away. Whatever he had in mind, that was not it. He's found a way through. Mbappe! And that's a real chance missed.
Well, we could be headed for a scenario in which next goal is the winner. That chance could have been it too.
Nicely weighted ball. And Messi! Goal at his mercy, and somehow he's missed it. It's their second corner of the game. And it's been taken short. And now a sudden chance to counter.
Well, that was well positioned and well pinched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
There's the shot! And no, he couldn't find the finish. It's a great ball. Skillfully cut out. He is so at ease on the ball. And he's let fly. Van Dijk. Fagioli. And Lavia. Robertson engages and forces him off the ball. And it's Messi. Foden. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Just a talking to, I think. Yes, it is.
Well, the goalkeeper needs to have everything to his liking, and he's...
Messi! Well, now it's a race for the ball. And here's a chance. It's loose now, and they want to get it back. That is good alertness. Oh, no, this does not look good. Well, that has not gone well. And they'll start all over again with the goalkeeper. No, that's been intercepted. Well, that's well seen too. And he thumps it clear. Oh, no joy this time. Referee's given a throw. Intercepts the throw, that's well read. It'll be a throw-in. And they're not going to make any further progress now.
Substitution for Ecuador. Number 7.
Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change.
Yeah, they're looking for some imagination, and his job's going to be to add that element of craft and guile. The man pulling the strings.
Oh, that's well spotted. Akanji gets across to intercept that. And he was quick to react. Extra time reaches half-time.
Parked outside the stadium gate.
Yeah, it is coming down to those last 15 minutes. A truly attritional affair that has reduced both teams to near standstill. The saying goes that it only takes a moment to make a difference in this game, but you have to pose the question, is there enough left in the collective tank of either team? And we are already back underway. Mbappe! Nice interception, well timed. Messi, played out towards the right wing. Gently done. That's a shade optimistic. Messi. Caicedo. Couldn't squeeze it through. Pedri. Akanji kept his eye on it, and he's there. Nicely worked.
I mean, they both ran their socks off.
Public transportation today. Please watch the
The referee has ended the second half of extra time. All square. Some weary legs out there. So who has it left in them to take a penalty? They could really do with scoring the first penalty. 1-0.
Well, he totally nailed that penalty, picked his spot, and didn't change.
Mikel Oyarzabal is engaging in a bit of mind games before stepping up. Coolly done, one each.
Always a little more pressure when you're trailing, but it didn't show.
Osimhen is the second man to step up for his team. Belted right down the middle.
You need a very strong mind in those situations. Any penalty that goes in is a good one.
Messi is looking to do his bit.
I thought he did really well to hold his nerve then and score that penalty.
Lo Celso is the third man to step forward. Ah, good take, keeper committed himself.
Brilliantly done, never took his eye off the keeper either.
Mbappe is third in line. Good penalty, just steered it the other way. It's 3 apiece. He steps up to take the fourth penalty. Oh, it's a really good save.
Well, he felt the goalkeeper outstared him there, which gave him the edge.
Foden is the fourth man to step forward for them. Oh, that is quite remarkable.
Oh, what a miss, and that would have sealed the win for them.
Valverde is the last of 5 scheduled takers. Big character, big moment, big save. Bayer must keep this out. This is match point. Oh, brilliant. He had to save it, and he did.
Oh, that's a super save from the keeper.
Some can barely watch here. Every kick potentially pivotal.
You need a very strong mind in those situations. Any penalty that goes in is a good one.
The margin of error is 0.
Great penalty under pressure. Again, pick the spot. Pick your spot, don't change your mind, and the keeper should be neutralised. He knew exactly what he wanted to do there and executed it perfectly.
So can he do it? Can he keep them alive? Saved it! And that's won it! So in the end, they just about prevailed. All the emotional torture and travails, worth it in the end.